Hey guys, I am back and I'm going to be going over another part four series of healing from insecurities. This is something that I still go through to this day, but it's one of those things to where I don't allow it to affect me the way I did in the past. So, in other words, um, insecurity is something that a lot of people go through. I mean, we can go through insecurities with how we look. We can go through insecurities on maybe like soul wound like situations. In other words, there's like maybe triggers for us that happened in our life. We have things that we felt were done to us that were unfair, so maybe things maybe people did to us, unfair situations, maybe not getting a job or maybe being unemployed or, maybe not having nice things financially or not making enough money or not being pretty enough or all things. Insecurities can go so widely ranged of different things. We can have insecurities of maybe having you know um, some people maybe are having babies and other people can't get pregnant. These all can be like weak things. Like we could have insecurities about so many things, and I was one of the most insecure people you've ever met on various things. I'm talking looks. I'm talking, like I just said, people doing things and maybe feeling insecure about like a relationship with somebody, family. It could be a relationship as far as a lover's concerned. It could be, so relationships. It could have been, you know, maybe I wanted to be more financially stable or have a nicer car, a nicer house, or have like, better, nicer things. Like insecurities can widely be ranged. Okay. And I struggled with this for a long time. I have gotten so much better at it, but there still can be residue when it comes to insecurities. So, in my part four series, I'm going to be going over kind of each level of insecurity that I dealt with and how God restored me and how He helped me overcome what people thought of me. Even though we still will have residue, I am so much better than I was. I mean, like, it was just so not healthy. It can destroy relationships, it can destroy how you see yourself, it can destroy how you communicate with others. Insecurities can also bring in other strongholds like offense, anger, bitterness, all kinds of things. So, yeah, that's what I'm going to be going over, and I hope that you guys will enjoy it. So basically, I struggled with all kinds of insecurities, but I'm here to tell you that God definitely rose me up. He rose me up into seeing myself differently. Again, I'm not perfect and I never try to make it like I don't have days where the residue will come back. And for the most part, I am so much better than I was. And I want you guys to get to that point, because how we see ourselves and how God sees us is the main thing that we should be going on. Because at the end of the day, we can't expect anyone or anything to make us feel secure about ourselves. We need to get our security from the Lord, and we need to get our security in what we think about ourselves. Something people always used to say is you can't love anyone until you love yourself. I used to disagree all the time. Now I see it. It is so true on how you see yourself. And I'm going to be getting into that, and I look forward to getting into it with you guys. So I hope that this blessed you, and I look forward to doing this next series with you guys. Love you all, and you have a wonderful day. God bless.